Do you know how to apply for your spousal Social Security benefits? Well, if you are married and you do qualify, we're going to give you 5 steps that you need to take down in order to make the process simple in our financial freedom video, so stay locked in. Hi, my name is Carson Graves, certified financial planner and president and CEO of the Retirement Education Center.
And my name is Andrea Graves, Director of Operations at the Retirement Education Center. For additional concepts on how to maximize your retirement, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. We want to welcome you back to our channel. Today we're going to be covering a topic that's important for a lot of you out there who are married, and that's how to apply for spousal Social Security benefits.
Yeah, because when it comes to applying for your spousal Social Security benefits, it can become a bit confusing at times. But no worries, because today we are going to be giving you 5 simple steps that you need to take in order to make this process simple when it comes to filing for your spousal Social Security benefits. But before we get into those steps, there are always 2 rules that we like to give you when it comes to retirement income planning. And Andrea, what are those 2 rules?
Well, rule number 1 is to never run out of money, and rule number 2 is to never forget rule number 1.
Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into our lesson today to talk about the steps that you need to know when it comes to applying for your spousal Social Security benefits. Now, the first step to applying for your spousal Social Security benefits is know your eligibility. Normally, you must be at least age 62, and your spouse must also be receiving their retirement or disability benefits in order for you to apply for spousal Social Security benefits. The next criteria is that you're going to have been married at least for 1 year continuously. So you couldn't have got married in 6 months, got it annulled, and got married again. You had to be married continuously for 1 year in order to be eligible to apply for your spousal Social Security benefits. Now, if you are divorced and you are considering applying for your ex-spousal Social Security benefits, the qualification is that you had to be married at least 10 years and you could not have remarried. So there are 2 criteria that you have to hit. You would have had to be married 10 years and not have found love elsewhere. Now, the second step is understanding when to apply for these benefits. Timing is always the key here. Now, as a spouse, you are eligible for at least 50% of your spousal benefits as early as the age of 62. But you need to also understand that if you do file at that age, you will have a permanent decrease on those benefits. Now, if you wait until your full retirement age, it doesn't have to be your spouse's full retirement age, but if you wait till your full retirement age, you can increase your monthly benefits because you will receive 100% of the 50% that you're eligible for. Another important note here is that when it comes to your spousal benefits, they do max out at your full retirement age. So you have no reason to continue to wait, expecting that those benefits are going to get larger as they would if you were talking about your own personal Social Security benefits up to age 70. So at your full retirement age, it will be best, depending on your financial needs and, of course, your health, you will want to go ahead and start those benefits at that time. Now, the next step that you're going to want to consider when you've decided to apply is to make sure that you gather all of your necessary documents. Now, this will include your birth certificate, your marriage certificate. If you were divorced, potentially your divorce papers as well. You're going to need all of those things before you apply. If you do have all of these documents ready, it's going to streamline the process for you significantly. Now, once you have gathered all of your important documents, the next step in the process is deciding how you're going to apply for these benefits. Now, you can apply online, which in my opinion is the quickest and easiest method of applying, but you can also call the Social Security office, or if you prefer a more personal touch or you have many complex questions that you want someone to answer for you, you can make an appointment with your local Social Security office and go down and visit someone in person. Now, the last step in this process is probably the most difficult one, and that is be patient and also be prepared for follow-up. Now, it can take several weeks for your application to be processed. Also, if you don't have all of your documents in order, they may have to ask for some additional information, but the Social Security Administration will contact you for that. But if you're also impatient, like I tend to be on certain things, you can keep an eye on your application status by logging in online to your Social Security account and checking to see where they are in that process as well. So the moral of this video is simple. Make sure that you write down all of these steps that we've given you to make sure that when you're ready to apply for your spousal Social Security benefits, you're prepared and informed about each stage of that process.
After this video, please check out our other videos that will give you tips on how to maximize your retirement. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you have questions,
we have answers. Please note that these videos are created for educational purposes only, and that you should always seek out your own financial advisor, your own tax advisor, and your own attorney regarding your personal situation. Also, if you are looking for an independent fiduciary advisor to help you with these types of complex financial matters, we highly recommend that you utilize the links in our description below and go ahead and schedule a 1-hour free consultation with us today.